Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage assignee permissions in Jotform. This is incredibly useful when you're working with a team and need to control who can submit, view, or edit your forms. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the form you want to manage, as permissions are tied to specific forms within your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Jotform dashboard where all your forms are displayed. Here, locate the specific form you want to edit and click the Edit Form button next to it. This will take you directly into the form editor where you can make all the necessary changes. Once you're inside the form editor, look toward the top of the page and click on the Publish button. This section is where you'll find various sharing and assignment options for your form. It's the central hub for managing how your form is distributed and who has access to it. On the left side menu that appears, click on Assign Form. This is the feature that allows you to delegate form responsibilities to specific team members or collaborators. It's particularly handy when you need multiple people working on the same form with different levels of access. In the Assign by Email field that appears, type in the email address of the person you want to assign. Make sure the email is accurate, as this is where they'll receive their invitation and access instructions. Next, you'll notice a blue drop-down menu right next to Submit and Edit. Click on this drop-down to reveal the permission options available. You can choose from Submit Only if you want them to only fill out the form, Submit and View Later if they should be able to see their submissions afterward, or Submit and Edit Later if they need full editing capabilities on their submissions. Select the permission level that best fits their role. Once you've chosen the appropriate permission, click the Send Invitation button. This will send an email to the assignee with instructions on how to access the form based on the permissions you've set. They should receive this email shortly, though it may take a moment to arrive. Now, if you need to manage permissions for people you've already assigned, click the Assign To button located on the right side of the screen. This opens up a comprehensive view of everyone who currently has access to your form. In the Shared With window that pops up, hover your mouse over an assignee's permissions dropdown. This reveals the current permission level they have and allows you to make changes. Click on that dropdown and select a new permission level for that user. You might want to upgrade someone from Submit Only to Submit and Edit Later as their responsibilities grow, or perhaps downgrade access if their role has changed. Once you've made your selection, you can simply close the window. Jotform automatically saves all permission changes, so there's no need to worry about clicking a Save button. Your updates are applied immediately, and the assignee will have their new permissions reflected right away. And that's it. You've successfully managed assignee permissions in Jotform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.